Let him out!
No.
Can I see a shark?
Nope. Mom, come over here. I actually aimed. Holy cow. Straight through.
Wow!
I'm getting it from this hand.
Way to go!
Made like a square on the other side. We're the cooks, and this is our boat, Hangtime. We've spent the last 2 years getting to know how to sail and having some great adventures along the way. The best is yet to come. Join us as we continue to explore the world on our floating home.
Angry.
Here.
At that.
You okay? Getting across there? You have a card? Okay. Okay, Char, come on down, please.
I'm nearly set the limit with the water.
Did she?
Yeah, literally.
She almost wiped?
Yeah, literally. It went and it was charging forward.
Yeah.
And the only thing that stopped it was like a cleat.
She bit it? Like she fell off?
Yeah, but like she stumbled and got her balance, and then it was right,
On its own?
yeah, on its own. And it, like before, that one spiraled out of control. And that one, it went straight forward to go off the dock, and it hit the cleat.
Oh my god. Is she coming back?
No.
Okay guys, come on down.
Coming.
So today, we are going to service our generator. So
That's it?
this is it. This is all there is to it. So at the very back, there's a strap here. So if I lift that strap, do you see the flashing right there?
Yeah.
So it's flashing maintenance at the moment. And we have to figure out why it's flashing maintenance, but we're going to do maintenance on it. So the first cover. I'm gonna pass that up to Ben.
It's heavy-ish.
Just put in a safe spot up there. Second one. So this is called a Whisper Power, a Piccolo 5 kilowatt. So it has 5,000 watts of power. It has a single cylinder right here that just goes up and down. And that AC current, when it produces AC, it goes straight to our AC panel, which runs our air conditioning. And then any excess power it has, it can run back through the bottom and run over and charge, go to the inverter. And the multi-inverter changes it to DC to be able to charge our battery bank. So this charges our battery bank. It also runs our AC and creates hot water and anything else we want to load on the top. So that's pretty important, right?
Yep.
So what we're going to do is look for our water pump. Right now, we'll need to shut off the water, our water filter. So we want to check our water filter, and water will come out of here, but we already have water in the bilge. Yeah, it's pretty dirty, right?
Yeah.
So Ben, I'm gonna have you clean that out in the sink. Okay, so can you go rinse it out, and then in the sink just spray water on and clean the metal filter off.
Did I think that's good enough?
More.
I can't get any.
Just spray it again. Just spray it. Do you see that? You can spray the hose. The tap.
We don't have.
Just the tap there.
What do you mean?
Just run the water, and the run water will go through this and clean that.
Oh.
So Benjamin's coming in now. So what we want to do is make sure that the air coming into the carburetor is always clean. It's a pretty clean environment in here. And it's contained here when the lid's down. So if you want to take that off.
Just do this.
Yep. Do you know what kind of nut that's called?
Spin nut.
Close. It's called a wing nut.
You're a wing nut.
Do you see? Because it looks like a wing. 2 sides.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't it look like that ship in that flying ship in your book?
Oh yeah.
Looks just like
Of
that.
course, it sits right there.
Yeah.
The night scythe, I think.
Okay, so check here. Okay, so if you want to pull that off.
See how dirty this air filter is.
So this has not been replaced yet. And careful if there's a washer or something in there. Yeah, sometimes. So we can pull that off there. Is there a washer on this? Yeah. So you can pull that right off then. Ooh.
It just seems like doesn't seem bad. The only
So if you
thing
can compare the color difference. So it is darker in yellow color. So overall it's not too bad, is it?
Nope.
Okay. Stage 2. There's a green blinking light that came on last night that said maintenance, which is why we're doing all the maintenance service now on it. It started last night though, and it's not starting now. So it's ready to kick over, and then the maintenance light starts flashing green. So it's not allowing itself to start, so it's kind of in safe mode. So let's see, what's it?
I like this. Will it fry all our electronics if it hits the mast, or what if it knocks the mast down? Just go away, please.
There's a lot taller buildings. Good observation, Ben. I know that we're gonna get hit.
Hit those instead of us.
You know, some dogs are really scared of thunder and lightning, but not this one.
Those 2 masts are bigger than ours,
Perfect.
and those 2 over there are too. There's pretty much no chance of us getting hit.
And the bridge?
I doubt that the bridge would get hit.
But it's higher than us.
Probably only if the whole thing went up. It would definitely attract.
Holy shoot!
Look at the water.
This is not a nice day if you're out.
Many times you guys behind me fast.
Go get a band.
Let's go! Then I just remembered I could be hit by a piece of hail.
All right, come back here.
Some would say they soon hear it fall. Do we need to go this far? We do know who are. Maybe it's even better.
Lay him out!
No.
Let's find out.
Oh yeah! Oh, you want some? Yeah! It's very tasty. Oh, I bet it is.
No, I never felt this way. Ocean, but
I'm tasting the water.
Pretty darn tasty.
every time you look at me, I'm eating up at least a third degree.
Look at it's coming down so fast.
like that, the storm's gone, and it's a beautiful evening. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to tune in next week when we finally leave the marina and do a bit of sailing, and to see how we
Got a lot of hair though, guys. Not my paws.
Mathematics is really going well, boys.
My pencil broke.